In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore the ribbon in Outlook. If your ribbon has changed, disappeared, or just doesn't look the way it normally does, don't worry. Outlook includes a built-in reset option that can quickly bring it back to its default layout. This is especially helpful if tabs are missing, commands have been moved, or the ribbon was customized by accident. I'll walk you through the process slowly so it's easy to follow. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open and fully loaded, look to the top left area of the window and click File. This will take you away from your main inbox view and open the Outlook settings area where you can manage account, app, and interface options. From the File menu, look down the left-hand side and click Options. This opens the Outlook Options window, which contains a range of settings for how Outlook looks and works. Since we want to restore the ribbon, we're going to the section that controls Toolbar and Ribbon Customization. In the Outlook Options window, find and click Customize Ribbon. This section allows you to control which tabs appear in the ribbon and what commands are shown. If something was hidden, moved, or changed, this is the place where it can be corrected. Now, in the Customize Ribbon area, look for the Reset button. Click Reset, and then follow the prompts that appear on your screen. Outlook may ask you to confirm that you want to reset the ribbon customizations. Once you confirm, Outlook will restore the ribbon settings back to their default state. After the reset is complete, take a moment to look at the top of Outlook again. You should now see the standard ribbon tabs and commands restored. If the ribbon had been customized before, those personal changes will be removed, so keep that in mind before confirming the reset. If you still don't see the ribbon the way you expect, try closing and reopening Outlook to refresh the interface. In many cases, though, the reset takes effect right away. That's all it takes to restore the ribbon in Outlook. It's a quick fix, and it can save you time if your Outlook layout suddenly changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.